What else you got?
Ahoy!
Oh, you got lots of stuff. What's that? These look,
Rubbery things.
these look pretty big compared to what we normally look at.
These are hot race. I've got to take these out because the plastic is annoying the heck out of me.
Annoying you? Why?
Oh,
Should we go on the overhead?
you can go into any head you want.
There you go. How's that?
Where are we?
Right there.
So this, the
Come
tire
on,
that I'm holding in my hand, this is the
You
Amazonia.
want me to focus in on that tread? Oh, going the wrong way.
Well, there we go. This is the Amazonia, and this one here is in the soft compound, and I can tell that by the green dot.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a very small block tire. It's not a pin, what I call a pin tire. It's a block tire. This would be really good for a clean or a clay track. A clean track with very little dust, a lot of surface area. Yeah, and this is for Truggy. That does look so big, not only because we've zoomed in an awful lot,
Oh, they are big.
but they are big because these are Truggy. So 1/8 Truggy tires. So they have been really hard to come by in the past, 18 months, Truggy tires.
Yeah.
So we've got such a good relationship now with Hot Race tires. We thought we'd be silly not to have a range of their Truggy tires.
So who's Hot Race?
Hot Race is an Italian tire manufacturer.
Yeah.
And they've been around for not forever, 10 years or so, I'd like to say. They specialize in 1/8 off-road tires.
Yep.
1/8 on-road foam tires, and just newly got into the 1/10 off-road.
Yeah, we had some 1/10s.
So we've still been
little while,
going that hard. We've still been going that range really well. It's selling really, really good. And this is more of a staple product for Hot Race. And like I said, because there's not many European tire manufacturers or whatever actually doing tires for Truggies.
No, that's
Because
right.
they're a very limited thing. So
Yep.
they're actually really hard to get stock of. So Hot Race have stepped up to the plate. They've got 2 treads, I think 4 compounds. We've got 2 compounds, 2 treads.
Yep.
And that should see most of the conditions for Truggy. So yeah, they've got really cool embossed wheels. These are pre-mounts, so they come in the packet already glued up for you, take all the heartache out of it.
Yeah.
They've got nice big air holes in the tires, if we can see here,
I could do the zoom in on the hole.
if you can. Oh,
What's
where
that?
are you? Here we
So-
are.
Oh,
You can
yeah.
see the blue. So we've got the nice air holes, 180 degrees apart.
Yep.
Which is really cool. Yeah, they're glued on, embossed wheels. Yeah, super happy to have these tires in.
Feel pretty sticky, don't they?
I know. I nearly wish now that I'd started building an electric Truggy so I could actually drive them and try them.
Oh, you almost did, didn't you?
I almost did, but
Came
then
close to it.
we went down the buggy path, and that's still underway. Construction of a new buggy. So I'm gonna have to put these on just to try it.
It's too
That's
heavy.
just being silly now.
Too heavy. They won't stay.
They might make an appearance on a velodrome car at one stage.
Ha ha.
They're big enough,
They are.
aren't they?
Yeah, they're cool.
These are really, really huge. So yeah, Truggy and 1/8 Truggy is sort of had a bit of a resurgence lately.
Yep.
With the electric class. So
I used to love embracing Truggy.
yeah,
Gas though. That was a little while ago.
and I think that I think electric Truggy has a big opportunity to grow because
Yep.
people love because it's huge,
Mm.
good value for money.
Yep.
But it's been a bit of a bugbear being able to get tires for them. So now we've got tires for them. We're alleviating that problem. So yeah.
Well, there was a time when you used to go to a big meeting and everyone would have their second class as a Truggy.
Yeah.
So it was really big at one stage.
Yeah.
And then they decided to separate it from the nationals events, and people didn't see the point of it. So they never ran the two again. So it sort of went in decline, but it's come back again because they are just so good.
Yeah.
Simply because of how
So they can
they're
have
designed. They're really forgiving.
they're really forgiving.
Yep.
They're really good, like entry level. They're a little bit supple to drive, and they're quite. I mean, they've got super performance.
Yeah.
You know, HV Racing do a awesome nitro and electric Truggy, the D8T Evo 3 and the E8T Evo 3.
Yep.
So, and they only came out last year, late last year,
It was
August last year. So yeah, they're still really fresh models.
Looks
Anyway.
like
So that is the latest from Hot Race Tires this week in our Hot Race Tire shipment.
yes.